Hello everyone. Happy Sunday. My name is Courtney and this is Doodle Dollar, and we are going to do a little cash stuffing today. And when I say little, I mean it is little because we are trying to pay off our debt, our car debt in 2025. So we are really only stuffing what is absolutely necessary. So we're going to start with seeing what is left in my wallet. So for groceries, I have 50, 70, 80. That is my full grocery bills there, because this past week I was at my boyfriend's house and I was just kind of using up stuff in the house. So I didn't go grocery shopping at all, which was kind of nice. But I did eat out a lot. So there's nothing left in dining out. That one is gone. There's nothing left in gas. And Aria has $5 left. I used one of her $5 for her to go shopping. She had money, but she didn't have quite enough. So I threw in a $5 for her to get her toy that she wanted. Even though it was just Christmas, she wanted to spend her money and buy her own thing. So anyways, so this one is going to go towards her stuff when I do my mini-me Monday. It'll be part of that. So for stuffing my wallet this week, we're doing 80 in groceries. So I feel like I am ready for 2025, guys. How about y'all? Mentally, I'm ready. Physically, like, not so ready. But I'm excited for it. Dining out is going to get 40. And we're going to do 10s. I'm going to try not to eat out as much this week and really just stay home and use up stuff at home so that I can save some of this money for putting towards my debt or savings. Gas is getting 25. And Aria is getting 2 5s. So I was stuffing my sinking funds, my savings, my low priority, my high priority, but I'm switching stuff around. So I will just be stuffing really my high priority. And then when I do mini Mondays, that will all go towards sinking funds for Aria. And when I do Tiny Tuesdays, those will go towards sinking funds for me. So we'll just kind of prioritize, like, whatever we have going on for that month, we'll get the money from the Tiny Tuesdays. So for cell phone this week, we are going to stuff $10. So we have 60 currently in cell phone. For debt, we're stuffing 125. Okay, so we have 51, 152, 20, 40, 45, 50, 250. Okay, not bad. So we are going to be, we're going to wait until this hits, I think, $500 and then put it towards our car. Or maybe, depending on what I've saved for debt so far, I will just compile it all together and then put it towards my car payment. So I have about 15,000 left on my car payment. And my goal is to pay off, what was it? Like half of that. All right. And then for car insurance, we're stuffing 50. I really need to condense this, I think. Let's see, 50, 1, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 235. Okay. Yeah, so this is something that I should probably soon-ish take and put it in my savings so that I have it for my car insurance in April. Okay, so that is it for my high priority binder. And then the last thing we're going to do here is we're going to just do a little, should I do a scratch off for this? Yeah, we're going to do a little scratch off for this. And, oh, I forgot my coins. My coins, Aria and I are doing this cow savings challenge together. She will not be able to do it with me this week because she's with her dad, but, oh, and I'm not sure what I'll do with the money that I save with that challenge or those challenges. So we'll see. It might just be on a, like, what needs to happen this month kind of thing. But okay, let's see. This is a gross quarter. I'm just going to put this here for now. And let's scratch this one. New Year's Eve is this week, so this will be probably the last one that we do. 9. Should I just finish it? Let me just see what's going on here. Okay, that's not too bad. 9 and 5. And then this one just says Happy New Year. Okay, so we finished this one. That's exciting. Let's see. I could do the 10 here. But let me just see if I can pull some ones over here. I'll pull 1, 2, 3, 4. These are for my challenges that I'm doing tomorrow and on Tuesday, so it's okay to take from that. All right, and I'll put this in my Valentine's folder. So this should be $100 that I have in my Valentine's folder. Let's see. Not Valentine's. Why do I always say Valentine's? For New Year's. Oh my goodness. My New Year's folder. Okay, so we should have $100 in here. Let's see what we have. All right. I don't know if it's all organized. Yes, I think it is. Okay. Awesome. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101. Oh, I think I put an extra because I didn't have the correct denomination. So I'll just put 1 back. And now we have $100 ready to go for New Year's Eve. What are you guys doing on New Year's Eve? Does anybody plan on staying up late? I have never really been huge on doing a lot of things for New Year's Eve. I don't know. I usually kind of feel a little depressed, I guess, with like the change and like the start of the new year. And I don't know. The holidays are a rough time of year for me because my parents have both passed, and so it's hard. But this year I'm planning on going out to the Battery in Atlanta and doing some stuff there, and hopefully it'll be a good time. So what are you guys doing? Are you going to stay in? Are you going to go out? Let me know in the comments what your plans are. All right. So that's fun. That's a completed challenge. One of my first scratch off challenges that I ever really made, and it was really fun, and I thought it was really cute. So, all right, we have $70 here to save later. Yay, for one of our challenges, one of our scratch offs, and $5 to add to our mini Mondays. So if you are new to this channel, if you haven't ever seen one of these videos and this type of video interests you, or you're interested in budgeting and cash stuffing, please consider subscribing and leave me a comment letting me know you're here. I'd love to interact with you, and I hope that whatever you're doing, guys, that you have a great one.